here in the Philippines. So, pwede ba ako dito sa area na to? So, once again, good morning, gorgeous! Ang daming gorgeous. So, ito muna yung isi-shopping ko. So, as you all know, guys, the gala is coming up, right? The gala night is coming up. So, alam natin yan, and all the celebrities are preparing for that big night. So do I. Kasi as a makeup artist and a hairstylist, I need to keep up sa lahat ng ganda ng gagawin namin because we'll be creating the beauty looks for the rest of the celebrities. I-watch out niya sa Instagram namin. So for now, I'll just share a little bit of secrets about hairstyling. So, for you girls, lahat naman tayo naliligo everyday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so ano inuuna natin? Is it the hair, the body, or the whatever? So, like 100% lahat inuuna natin basain at linisin yung hair, right? So do I. And lahat ba tayo nag-wash ng hair every day?
Yeah.
So parang meron hindi. Well, isa ako dun sa hindi because I don't wash my hair every day. Okay? Because I have a thin hair, so my hair tends to like fall. Hair fall, ano mga chismis natin sa hair? Hair fall, frizzy hair, dandruff, what else? Dryness, breakage, ang dami natin problema and hair is one of the biggest problems bago tayo makaalis ng bahay, right? Okay, and to solve that problem, I found out that meron pala mga easiest way to solve that problems for us. So one is, have you heard about hair oils? Okay, I think a lot of women already introduced about hair oils. But what I figured about this hair oil, which is in my bag right now, I heard it's always sold out, so I'm gonna grab my stocks again because this hair oil is like all around. Okay, so when you do your hair oil, how do you do your hair oil? Like after styling or before styling? Okay, halo-halo. Now, I'll give you 3 tips on how to use hair oils. First, right after shower, diba, damp hair, right, parang wear a minimum amount, like 2 pumps, depende kung gaano ka-haggard yung hair nyo. So, if it's too haggard, 2 or 3 more is needed. And when you apply your hair oil, it should start from the end. From the end. Pero pag yung hair is sobrang haggard, as in, kailangan na ilibig. So what you have to do is like, you use your hair oil as a mask. So pwede nyo siyang i-leave, pwede siyang mga shower cap na available, pwede nyo i-leave siya. Starting all from the roots down to this part. Do not put oil on your scalp. Okay? And then, so that's straight. Then right after like styling your hair, you can actually like put 1 drop. 1 drop is enough to like make your hair shinier, healthier, like healthy. So kahit na araw-araw kami nasa photo shoot these days, the hair is, I'm trying to keep my hair like healthy. So one more tip, ito, extra tip to guys. Since I wash also, I stay at home at night, I use like either conditioner or hair mask at night. Which is yung dulo lang. Para yung dulo, hindi siya nakakagard. Kasi alam niyo yan, minsan alam niyo tayo namang girls na makakapansin sa bawat isa. Pag may nakatabi, ay, nakakagard ang hair niya. Di ba? Parang aminin niyo yan, ginagawa niyo yan. So with that, let's avoid that kind of parang damage to our hair.